we are here, Phoenix Park Village, one more time. This is our first rental unit listing, all right? There'll be more listings to come. We're actually real estate agents for those who don't know. We're registered real estate agents now, licensed real estate agents.
Yes.
All right, so this behind us here is our first rental listing, Phoenix Park Village 2, the new gated community in Portmore. It's around 680 square feet, thereabout, in size, 2 bed, 1 bath. It's a brand new listing.
AC included, right? Fitted for your full enjoyment. So let's go and look inside. Oh, by the way, we have the outside is paved. We have a paved driveway, and we also have a paved area around the back for you to utilize, whether it is for laundry, for hanging out, you know, you decide.
Yes.
So let's go look at this wonderful listing.
Here we go, guys.
Come on. This is the front yard. We have a paved driveway right here. We also have a nice little rock garden over on the left with planters there with garden lights right there. Then we have over here grass. I know you're seeing brown now. I know you're seeing brown, but it will be green. So grass is planted with time. It's going to spread all over and it will be green, lush. So look at the idea of this garden that has been created. I think it is wonderful. So this will be the front yard space, okay? Now we're going to give you a glimpse into the back. So the back is as a really big yard space for you to do tons of activities, especially if you love to do outdoor activities. The back will be great for you. So we also have security cameras that are solar powered for your protection and security. All right, so let's go inside.
We're inside now. All right, living, kitchen, dining. The price that you're seeing in the title of the video is pretty much the going rate right now for these units, and bear in mind also the amount of work that this homeowner has put in, you know, causing the price to be what it is. They've done a brick paved driveway which is costing them about $500,000. This is like more than twice the size of the standard units for those persons who live in Phoenix Park Village and know Phoenix Park Village 2 and know how small the lot sizes are. This is a really large lot. It's also fenced. The landscaping is put in. There's irrigation system, a timer system as well. Security cameras, fully AC, right? You have an AC right unit here in the living room as well as in the bedrooms as well. The lamps, all the lamps have been changed out. You also have your curtains, curtain rods and curtains installed, right? The place is grilled. Please note as well, grilled. So plenty of features, plenty of amenities. There's also a security system that is attached to the unit as well, that basically secures all the windows, all the doors. So tons of features, tons of amenities. You'll definitely love this unit. Also, there's a beautiful fireplace at the back with a gazebo. Beautiful, you'll see it later on in the video. Stay tuned, guys. Here we go.
Okay guys, so this is the living room dining area. You're getting it fresh off the block, never been lived in. So yeah, I mean clean cut, modern finishes on the inside, modern colors on the wall that makes the space bright and spacious. And Adrian mentioned that all the lamps have been put in the living room area. This is one of them.
Yes.
That has already been put in. The curtain rods have already been put in place. This is the living room area that you'd basically put your nice seater. I would say an L-shaped couch, but you know, anything you got, here will be where you put it. You can put your dining table in this area right here, can be your dining area. And of course, you have your kitchen. You have your stove, 30-inch stove space right here. You have your quartz countertop and the space right here for your refrigerator. You also have your cupboard spacing going right around. If you do like to display, you have a nice tool cupboard right here that you can display, or you can use it for your, you know, your everyday use items that you just want to have an easy grab and use. You also have this section right
wine
here.
racks. These are wine racks.
You have your modern faucets and your big white sink, which is deeper than the average sinks out there. And that's really important when it comes to splashing when you're cooking. Your big window. And of course, you have the door that leads to the bath.
Yes.
Right.
As you notice, guys, this fancy, modern looking grill work, you know, really nice grill work in this unit. All right.
What I do like about this unit, Adrian, is the fact that there's a big gazebo right at the back right here. Now, Adrian will give you a better look at it in the video in different aspects, but when you exit, you actually have this section right here that can increase the use. You can basically increase the use of the outside space. So you can definitely use it to hang out in the days and in the afternoon. You can use it for recreation, use it for entertainment. You can use it for work, whether it is work from home or they're nice and cool, whether it is doing your laundry and any of those stuff, all right? So it fits basically everybody's needs. Let's go look at the bedrooms. So this is the space in between the bedrooms, and the bathroom door is right here in the middle. We have one bedroom at the front right here, which is normally the primary bedroom. And this is what the space looks like. Again, all the bedrooms have air conditioned unit. We have slide doors for the closet. And yeah, this is your bedroom space to be. So this bathroom, you can enter from the primary bedroom right here, as you can see, but you can also enter from the passageway, right? So this is one of the nice features. The bathroom is bigger than the average Phoenix Park Village bathroom that you have seen before. Come on in. Elongated toilet, comfort height. You also have your vanity right here with your medicine cabinet and your glass affixed in front. The bathroom is also modern with a fixed frame glass and a step-in shower. And we also have mesh around the bathroom windows. Now, no say this is very important because lizard will come into your house from any and every avenue. So having this right here means that your house is now lizard proof. And
there's a caddy, you know, just behind a shower caddy just behind.
Yes, there's a shower caddy right here. Another modern feature. And let's just look at the faucets in the bathroom as well. Very modern and nice, very chic, right? Natural gray tones in the bathroom. If you are interested in renting this property, you can find our information running at the bottom of this video and also in the description box below. Let's go look at the secondary bedroom. A place to rent is very important. It's just as important as a place to buy. And one of the beautiful features of this home is that it comes with such a wonderful amenities. It comes with peace and quiet. It's a new community, a new neighborhood, and it's a wonderful place for you to live and to grow your family in. Okay, that's what is most important. So if you are looking for a place to rent in Portmore,
in a gated community,
in a gated community, in a modern development, in a new development, Phoenix Park Village, and this unit is a perfect place to be. This is already retrofitted with basically everything that you need, except the furniture. So this is the secondary bedroom, and this basically is also a sliding closet. When we went, I don't know if you guys have seen, I don't know if you guys saw our tour of this particular unit, but you would have seen that in the unit they had bunk beds in this room. They also had their table in this room that they were using to sign up persons. So this is a wonderful community to buy into, and it's equally a wonderful community to rent into. If you are interested, again, link us up, or information can be found running along the bottom of this video and also in the description box below. Let's go look at the outside and let us know. The price to rent is changing, the dynamic is changing, and that's because the market, the housing market in total is changing, and the value of homes are increasing. With the increase in the value of home also comes the increase in mortgage, and it also comes the increase in rent. And so it just comes with housing that when you want to rent, you want to rent in a good place. This is a good place. This is a good place to rent, and the price is, well, it's affordable. You can see it.
Yes.
All right, let's go and look outside.
Yes.
So this is the outside. I really love the idea that they had in terms of this area right here was basically open, and they've added a gazebo over it and basically paved the area so it's nice and comfortable. And this is what I referred to when I was talking earlier, and I said that you could actually do social activities outside. All right, you can actually chill out here. You can do work, like you can have your machine, your washing machine right here, and you can do your laundry, but it can also be a nice little chill area, a nice little cool area. I do like the idea that is here. So the amenities that are offered in this rental, I think, is really good and really unique, especially for this area. Most of the time you wouldn't have had this out here.
You know what I noticed?
Comfort is considered. Yes.
You know what I noticed just behind? They put a gutter.
Yes.
Because when it's raining, you can go there and look.
Yeah,
you can look. You can talk about the gutter.
Yes. So,
right?
So just think, so when it's raining, it's right here, you can still use this area. It won't be inconvenienced by the water pouring down from off the roof.
Right,
Yeah,
from the top of the gazebo or the roof, you know, so that's thoughtful. And your landlords, you can tell you that your landlords are thinking about you. They've put in water filtration system here.
Yes.
All right, and as we mentioned before, the irrigation timer. This is the timer, automatic timer for the water filter. For the water sprinklers, you can basically set the day, the time, the frequency of how you want the landscaping to be watered, you know?
Yes.
So that's great.
And that's outside is, let's show you the features of outside. So of course, for those who are overseas, you'll be using a lot of dryers, but for us in Jamaica, one of the main way that we dry our clothes is by hanging it on the line. And the line space is already fitted, and I love this area. It won't get muddy even when rain falls. No grass gonna grow up underneath your line, kind of thing. So this is the line area. We also have that fire pit that Adrian mentioned before.
Yes, and you'll see it. Here it is, guys. Here it is.
Yeah, so we have a fire pit. The backyard is
huge.
Vast.
It's well documented about how small the lot sizes are in Phoenix Park Village too. But this is one of the mega ones. You get plenty of fruit trees here at the back. So this is one of the mega ones. So they've already started planting the fruit trees. All right. You have mangoes, at least 3 mangoes. Mango trees are here. I can see cherry. I can see some vines there. Not sure if it's melon, possibly melon. All right. Coconuts. We have coconuts back here as well. Right. So your landlords, right? Your landlords are very conscientious people.
Like the coconut idea. You know? And that tree too. I love it.
Come. Yeah. So it's quite an extensive backyard, guys. Quite an extensive backyard. All right. And we have the irrigation, as we mentioned. See the irrigation down here, so you don't have to worry about coming to water anything. The irrigation is set. So all of these plants back here get their water. All right, it's melon, yeah. So,
melon?
So it's either melon or cantaloupe. I'll have to ask them, but it's probably cantaloupe. It's probably cantaloupe. I'm not sure.
In the comment section.
Yeah. Come closer. This is it, guys. Let us know in the comments what you think it is. See one of the fruit there. I know what it is already.
I know what it is already. Let us know in
the comments.
What's your guess, Adrian?
What's my guess?
Yes, what's your guess again?
I said probably a cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe? Okay, Adrian said cantaloupe. I already know what it is because I saw one of the fruits a while ago. Okay. So I saw one of the fruits, okay? So Adrian said cantaloupe is on video. He cannot change it.
Right.
So in the comment section, tell us if you have a green thumb, if you know about plants. Tell us if Adrian was correct. Tell us if it's a cantaloupe for real. Okay? I know what it is.
Yeah.
But let me know in the comment section if you know what it is. And I'll let you know in the comment section too, all right? I'll be in the comment section telling you if you were right. So anyways.
So looking at this, I'll have to take a drive to go back up to the house. You know, this is a nice chill area. This is a fabulous chill area. I really love it.
Yeah, man. If you have kids, the kids can definitely get their game on out
and
here.
of course, too, guys, note that your landlords spent extra for this lot. Right? They spent extra for this lot. It's beautiful. And they've done quite a lot of work. All right? They put some torches as well, you know, because they're thinking about recreation.
Outside,
you know, being outside activity. There's a wick. All right? So,
So if you guys are interested in renting this property, contact the Delpratt family. The information can be found on the screen, running at the bottom below, in the description box below as well. You can email, you can call, let us know if you're interested, and we'll definitely follow up with you to get you renting and living in this wonderful space. All right, so some of us are buying, some of us are renting, some of us are selling. Whichever one you are, Delpratt family got you. Okay, if you're buying, you're renting, you're selling at this time, you should be in our inboxes, you should be on our phone, giving us a call, letting us know which one of these perspectives you are. And if you are desirous of renting a place, even if it is not in Portmore, in Kingston, in St. Anne, in Mobay, in any parish in Jamaica, any of the 14 parishes, you can hit us up, the Delpratt family channel, and we can get you a place to call home. All right, whether you are renting, we got you. If you want to buy in any of the 14 parishes, still Delpratt family, right? If you are selling, let us know what you're waiting on. All right, guys, now this is it from this wonderful rental space in Portmore. The Delpratt family channel was so pleased to bring this video to you. This is it for now. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the post notification bell, put the setting on all, and give us a big thumbs up for this video. That is it, guys.
We out.
Peace.